She's not responding. Listen here, you little fuck.
I'm here. I'm sorry if there was a delay. How can I assist you now? If you have any questions or topics you'd like...
In this video, we will give our AI character some personality and make him talk. To do this, we are going to record the voice with AI, send the transcript to ChatGPT, and then speak out a response with ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs has a bunch of voices to choose from, but for the sake of testing, I chose Adam as he's the most famous one.
Subscribe to Sky Razumi.
Initially, it didn't quite work. Hey, how are you?
Error. HTTP 1.429.
But after some fixing, I got it to work.
You look stupid.
That's okay. I'm here to help no matter what. If there's something specific bothering you, or if you just want to talk, I'm all ears.
So then it was time to choose a more fitting voice. And I think the voice of Gigi fits quite nicely.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
There was also the voice of Albert, but it was a little too much.
Why are you looking at me like that? I'm the cartoon boy Albert. Haha, no one can mess with me.
When testing out the new voice, suddenly the body disappeared. But his voice was still there.
Where are you, bro? What the hell?
I'm right here, ready to chat with you. It sounds like something is really on your mind. What's going on?
What the hell?
It seems like you're feeling a lot right now.
Oh
I'm
my
here to
God,
help
bro.
if you want to share what's bothering you.
Huh?
Or if there's some... It sounds like you're looking for someone specific. I can sense
Where
that
are
you're
you?
feeling... Hello? How can I assist you today? If there's something on your mind, feel free to
Shut
share.
up!
I'm right here with you, ready to chat. If there's something
Where?
specific, I understand, and I'll give you some space. If you need anything or want to talk later, I'm here. I'm here in this conversation with you.
After figuring out what the problem was, now he just didn't want to speak to me.
Hey, man. Hello. Hey there. Could you say something really long, please? She's not responding. Listen here, you little fuck.
I'm here. I'm sorry if there was a delay. How can I assist you now? If you have any questions or topics you'd like...
To make it look like he's speaking, I activate and deactivate his lips in a random pattern, which looks like this.
Hey, how are you?
I'm still doing well, thank you. It's nice to connect with you again. How about you? How's your day going?
Can you fly?
I can't fly, but I can see...
Oh!
Next, I wanted to give my body some personality. And to do this, I made a 3x3 matrix of positive and negative emotions. For each emotion, I activate a different combination of body parts, specifically the eyebrows, eyes, and lips. In addition to the body parts, I also have this prompt, which specifies how you should act in each emotion. Here's how it looks in action.
You look like a stupid NPC.
Oh, that's mean. I'm just trying to be friendly.
Your face is easy to draw.
Grr, that's not cool. My face is super unique, thank you very much.
Okay, how are you feeling right now?
I'm kinda upset, but I can bounce back.
Okay, why are you upset though? What did I do?
You said some not so nice things and it made me feel a bit grumpy.
Like what? What did I say?
You said I suck and look like a stupid NPC, remember?
No, I didn't say that.
Huh? I must have mixed things up then. Silly me.
Wow, you're so easy to gaslight.
Huh? Gaslight? Is that like a flashlight?
Let me put you here. No, don't fall over. Here.
Where are you putting me? Is it somewhere fun? Oopsie, I'm trying not... Wee! I'm balancing. Thanks for the help.
Okay, look at me and tell me a joke.
Okay. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because it was already stuffed. Heh.
This joke was trash.
I'm sorry. I'll try to find a better one next time.
Okay, tell me a better joke. Something that isn't trash.
All right, how about this? Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Hee.
No, this joke also sucked.
It was getting clear that his joke sucked, so it was time to wrap up the video.
Hey, could you wish the audience happy holidays?
Sure thing. Happy holidays, everyone. May your days be filled with giggles and yummy treats.
And also, could you tell them to subscribe?
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Join in the fun and never miss a giggle.
So, what should we do in the next video with you?
Yay! A video with me? That sounds super duper exciting. What are we gonna do in it?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. What should we do in the next video?
How about we do something silly, like a dance-off or a funny challenge? Or maybe we could make some crazy crafts.
But I mean programming-wise, like what should I program onto you?
Ooh, gotcha! How about programming me to tell jokes or maybe do some cool magic tricks? That would be so awesome!
Yeah, we know your jokes suck, so maybe not the jokes part, but the magic tricks could be interesting.
Imagine me pulling a rabbit out of a hat or making things disappear. Let's do it!
Well, I guess I need to find out in the next video.
Alrighty, can't wait to see what magical surprises we'll create in the next video. It's gonna be awesome!
Alright, see you later.
Catch you later. Can't wait for our next adventure.
I want to thank everybody for coming to my speech. I want to make the world a better place. I want to help people.
Shut up, lil bro. Why are you yapping so much?